Greetings YouTube, how you guys doing today? Deception Stoppers, another video, another interesting video. Now, many of you know who Mr. Sidoti is, Todd D. Sidoti. My very first attorney. You know, if you watch the video, you know who he is. That guy who forged my signature, that guy who engaged in a civil conspiracy to try to steal my marital property. We got something today here. Okay, now this guy's pitiful. Now I told you guys before that we filed a lawsuit and he was named in that lawsuit. Okay, when we filed that lawsuit against this guy, he played around a little bit. He was filing stuff, trying to gauge us to see how well we know the law and whatnot. He was filing his paperwork, playing games, okay? And it got to the point where he realized that we weren't nothing to be fucked with. He realized that we knew our shit. And we weren't no dumb niggas, you know, as he thought we were. He went and filed bankruptcy. They had like 9 days to reply to, it was something that the judge put out, it was an order. They had 9 days to reply. He filed his bankruptcy 9 days before that, okay, in bad faith. Why did he file bankruptcy? He went and filed bankruptcy to try to get out of litigation, to stay the case. Because if you go file if you're being sued and you go file a bankruptcy, everything is stayed. Lawsuits, bill collectors, everything is stayed, okay? And this is what he did. Now we did our research and we learned that when there's a lawsuit going on, if someone files a lawsuit, if someone goes and file bankruptcy and that person is a part of your lawsuit, that your lawsuit can be stayed up to like between 3 and 5 years. Okay, this is what they try to do, but you know, they messed up because they stayed the case, because by him going to file bankruptcy, it was only stayed for him and not the other debtors. Judge didn't put out an order, okay? Try to trick us. They got caught, okay? Fuck y'all thought y'all were fucking with. We ain't no slouches over here. You know, I remember from the beginning, before we got this far, I tried to tell my wife's attorney. I told that bitch. I said, these tricks and shit that y'all doing and y'all trying to pull, this shit is not gonna work. Keep it up. Great job. You're doing an excellent job. I got the emails. I can show you guys the emails, and I told her that. I told her, I said, these tricks and all this stuff that you guys are trying to use to steal money and whatnot, it's not going to work. But keep it up. Keep it up. Great job. Great work. Awesome job. And look where we are now. Okay? Now, Todd, back to him. This man goes and filed bankruptcy, try to get our case stayed for 3 to 5 years. Didn't work. Didn't work. Nice try though. However, we did have to take him off the case. They pretty much forced us to take him off because the bankruptcy court was abusing the process. We put our relief from stay in. Perfect. You know, a lot of time went into that relief from stay. Submitted it. Evidence that he filed his bankruptcy in bad faith. No rebuttals. Nothing. No rebuttals. We didn't get a reply or anything. We goes down there, it was like 30 days went by. They had about 30 days to reply. We still about 31 days went by and we didn't get anything. We goes down there to see what was up, what was the deal. This lady, I ain't gonna say her name on camera, but she tells us, well, it's due process. We don't know when it's going to be granted. It's due process. You had 30 days. Come on, man. We provided all the evidence. We pretty much did your jobs for you. We provided the evidence, showed you what this dude did, and we displayed how he filed this bankruptcy in bad faith. It doesn't take that long. It's a couple days ago, look into it and see that this nigga filed his shit in bad faith. They try to help him because they're in collusion with the civil court, the civil judge. I don't give a fuck what that nigga says. You know, he tried to play it off. When we in one of our hearings, he was up there talking about some, why I try to stay, I haven't been, what'd he say? I haven't been to the bankruptcy court in many years. I try to stay far away from them. That place is like the plague or some shit. No, we don't give a fuck. Why are you telling us that? Everything y'all doing, y'all so fucking predictable and sloppy. That's why y'all caught. That's why y'all are where y'all are. That is why y'all are in the position that you are in right now. Because you're fucking stupid and you're not smart. You do this. You talking and not even fucking thinking. You running your mouth. Everything you say and everything you do gives us more fucking clues and shit to work with. This dude talking about some he stays away from that. Why are you telling us that? So now by you telling us that, you're telling us that you're in collusion with the bankruptcy court. You sat up there and told us that you're in collusion with the bankruptcy court in another way. Keep your fucking mouth shut. You can't, I'm not fucking with, you know what? I'm not fucking with nobody who has strong resistance and patience and endurance. I'm not fucking with somebody like that. If I'm trying to steal from somebody and they resistant and they coming strong like this, I'm leaving them motherfuckers alone. That's a sign to leave them alone. Y'all ain't know who y'all were fucking with. Y'all didn't know who y'all were fucking with. This right here. I know y'all fucking other people up. You know, there's some white people out there getting fucked up too. But this here, this is worse. This is why y'all got more aggressive, because of this skin color right here. Okay? This is why. And now this is a fucking lesson. Okay? We don't give a fuck. You doing this to other people, hey, you fuck with the wrong one. And you gonna pay. Just like everybody else, anybody else. If I go rob a bank or I commit any crime and I get caught, I gotta pay for it. And you guys gotta pay for it. It's gonna be, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's gonna be fucking difficult to try to work with us, trying to make deals with us. It's gonna be difficult. Y'all did too much. Y'all put us through all this shit. Okay, we lost sleep many hours. You don't want to have no damages hearing. You don't want to have no damages hearing. We going all the way with this fucking shit. Okay, it's gonna take a lot. It's gonna take a lot, because y'all need to be exposed for what y'all doing. This is fucked up. I ain't commit no crime out here, and y'all trying to steal my shit. Blatant disregard to my children. Blatant disregard to the Constitution. It's a mockery of the law. Y'all fucking do this shit. Y'all do this every day and not following the book because you want to make some extra money. It's a stopping point. Okay? When you fuck with someone, you got to be careful. There's a stopping point. Y'all should have stopped a long time ago. Y'all should have stopped a long time ago. A great lesson. So look, these papers that we're looking at here, okay, this order denying confirmation and dismissing case. So it looks like, let me see, his 13 bankruptcy got dismissed. What should have been dismissed? This shit should have been dismissed. Why are y'all dismissing it now? Huh? Why are y'all dismissing this boy's case now? This shit should have been dismissed. When we provided the evidence is to show you how this nigga committed a crime, he engaged in civil conspiracy, malpractice, and then goes file bankruptcy like 9 days before he had to respond. We showed you what we showed you all what he did. This shit should have been dismissed. We ain't stupid. We know what you want to do. Okay? We not putting that motherfucker back on the case. Oh, let's just send out an order and say we dismiss the case so they can put Mr. Sidoti back. We know that motherfucker ain't got no money. He ain't got no money. That's why he tried to steal my money at the beginning. He need that money. He got houses going to foreclosure. We know all your shit. We know all your shit. This nigga got houses going to foreclosure. You ain't got no fucking money. We ain't putting you back on this fucking lawsuit. We ain't gonna tell you what we gonna do. We gonna keep playing chess and keep y'all guessing. We gonna put this pussy back on the back burner. That's what we gonna do. We don't want this pussy now. We want that shit later. You want to fucking play games and try to steal from somebody? We gonna play with your ass. We ain't putting your ass back on the lawsuit. You can forget that. So whatever tricks y'all trying to, whatever y'all trying to do, shit's not gonna work. It's time to fucking meet your doom, and it's time to face reality and answer to what you fucking did. All y'all got together, y'all engaged in civil conspiracy together. Got your feelings involved. Oh, these just some niggers. We'll take care of it. These just some dumb niggers. We'll starve them out. They'll get tired. Nah. Mm-mm. We ain't no normal niggas. I told Stacy that the first time. I told that bitch. I said, this shit that you trying to pull is not gonna fucking work. I was speaking in absolute. Maybe I was possessed. But I know how I am. I know how my brother am. We are passionate. When you're passionate about something, that shit is like a superpower. It really is. It's like a superpower. You can't fuck with nobody with passion. You already know. You can't fuck with them. So yeah, like I told you guys, I'm going to keep you guys abreast on everything regarding this case, okay? We already know the lawyers watching and shit, and judge, whoever else we already know y'all watching. We want y'all to watch. Okay? We ain't gonna tell you what we gonna do. You don't know what the fuck we gonna do. This shit is fun to us. It's fun. Because it's a learning. We learned a lot of shit about the law. We learned a lot of shit about the law, and we learned the shit about how y'all work. Y'all incompetent. Fucking competent. American citizens need to really know how much power you have. Look what we doing. We destroying these motherfuckers. They got all the money, all the attorneys, okay? All the shit. We ain't spent a dime on this shit. We had to get some affidavits. We had to borrow some money and, to get a few things taken care of. But all you gotta do is be patient, be smart, be calm. Because this is murder shit. Okay? This is murder shit. This shit that they did is enough to get somebody murdered. And somebody who will be willing to go out and murder somebody, they will be going crazy, losing their mind, not thinking logically, be emotional, just making stupid decisions. We ain't like that. Very patient, very fucking methodical. We got good methods. We on our shit. We know how to fucking read. Okay, we know how to read between the lines. We got all the tools. Okay, so you can't just be out here fucking with anybody who you don't know anything about. Who you think you can't fuck with somebody who you think you know something about. Okay, look where you at now. Look where you at now. Look where you at now. What other tricks you got? What else you gonna do? We sitting back waiting for you. We sitting back waiting for you. We know y'all gave us all this time to learn this shit. Y'all gave us all this fucking time to learn this shit. Let me go on to this next. It's a back page. This, I believe. Wait, hold on. Y'all gave us all this time. Shit, where's this the back part. Oh, there it is. So look, y'all gave us all this time to do this research and learn. Had y'all that gave me spouse support, had y'all not ripped my kids away unconstitutionally, I wouldn't have really had time to do that. I would have had to focus on my kids and stuff. I wouldn't have had like a whole lot of time to do that. But then again, I don't know. Who knows? Because you can't fuck with somebody who didn't do anything wrong. You can't fuck with the universe, the law of the universe. That's the real law. Okay. You can't fuck with the law of universe, energy and shit, karma and all that. Can't fuck with that. I hope you guys learn from this lesson. Don't fuck with anybody. If you're gonna rob somebody, make sure you do your full investigation. Make sure you understand everything that can happen. Everything. Okay? Don't just get sloppy with this shit like how you guys did with me. Because this shit was sloppy and you got caught. Okay, so what's up? What's up? So y'all gonna throw his case out now? What's up? Why y'all moving out? Cause y'all just now taking this shit serious. Y'all, we launched our investigation from the way beginning, from in domestic court, when we getting court reporters and shit. From that time, we doing our investigation, and now we got all this shit, and y'all just now taking this serious. Y'all just now taking this situation serious. I can't fucking wait till it's time to go to court in front of the people and display what y'all fucking did. I want to hear a great explanation. I want to hear a great explanation of why y'all did this shit. There is no explanation. When you stealing from somebody, what is your reason for stealing from somebody? Bribery. That's what this shit is. Okay? I mean, we got so much shit on y'all. We got videos. We got recordings and shit. That's all I fucking do. That's part of my fucking work. Record motherfuckers. That's what I do. Okay? So ain't gonna be no lying. We ain't going to put no affidavits on the case and talk about make some shit up. Nah. It's not happening. We ain't on no shit like that. But anyway, I wanted to make this video. I'm gonna conclude this. I don't want to keep rambling. I'm excited more than upset. It's mixed up. I'm excited at the fact that they throwing this nigga's case out, which was filed in bad faith. I'm happy to see that they're dismissing it. On the other hand, I'm disappointed that they waited this whole time. They waited to do this. And it looks like they're waiting on us to put him back on the civil case. We not put him back on there. We got a plan. We got a plan for that. We got a plan for that Sidoti guy. We got a plan for him. Okay, we ain't gonna tell you what we gonna do, but we got plans. We got plans. So that is it. You guys, thanks for viewing. Thanks for your support. And as I always tell everyone in other videos, get this shit out. Share this video. Share these videos with people who are aware and who or people who know someone who has went through some shit like this, or the state stealing shit, probate court stealing motherfuckers, property, inheritance and shit. Okay, spread this shit because this is serious. And unfortunately, not everyone has the patience, endurance, faith, all this shit to be able to go to do what we doing, because this what we went through, oh my God, it was a lot. We had to endure abusive process. I mean, a lot of stuff we had to endure. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't have this. Hence, they go get an attorney and work with them, and they're not going to do the right thing. But anyway, I'm signing off here. Thanks for viewing. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Peace.